What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Smash Cut Media, where I cover all things how to YouTube. In today's video, I wanted to show you a powerful Chrome extension add-on that can help you get more YouTube views and get more YouTube watch hours. So let's jump right into it. So the Chrome extension add-on I'm talking about is Tubebuddy. Now Tubebuddy provides YouTube analytics that your YouTube Studio does not provide as of this date. So let me show you why you need Tubebuddy and how it can help you. So one of the main things I use Tubebuddy for is for tags. Because if we go into my video here, this one's called How to Print Poly Mailers. So I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm gonna put in how to print poly mailers. There's a few different ones here. There was one that was released 2 years ago and it has 32,000 views. There was one that was released 9 months ago, 4,700 views. So I'm gonna go with this one here. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna look at these tags here. So I'm gonna see what tags this person has. So right here, right off the bat, you can see the tags that they have. Not only that, you can see all these different metrics right here. You can see how many channel views they have, how many subscribers they have, how many videos they have, also upvotes, mentions on Twitter, and likes on Facebook. Plus, it's gonna show you a SEO score. So I'll get into a little bit more of the SEO score in a minute. So these are the tags it has here. I don't really like these tags, so I'm not gonna use any of these. So I'm gonna go to this guy's right here. All right, so this guy, he has a 30% SEO score, and we're gonna see this guy's tags. All right, custom poly mailers, screen printing, custom screen printing. So let's say I wanted to use all these guys' tags. So I'm gonna go to copy to, I can go to clipboard. I go to clipboard, now I go to my video that I'm editing, and in my tags right here, I right click and I can dump them all in there. But I don't wanna do that because this video already has tags, and that's just an example of what I'm doing. Another way Tubebuddy helps you with tags is, for example, you see these little scores I have here. If I click on that one there, it's gonna give me a score. It's gonna tell me whether that tag is good, whether that tag is really saturated, or whether I should just not use that tag at all. So right here, search volume is poor. So not a lot of people are looking for it, but competition is excellent. There's no competition for this tag here. Optimization strength is excellent. So overall, this is gonna be a good tag. The thing that weighs it down a little bit is search volume, because not a lot of people are searching for this. So you can go to related tags. So these are common video tags right here, custom poly mailers, packaging, and shipping. So you can also go to results, people that have the same type videos, see customized keyword scores for your channel, and see how to stack up against top ranking videos by upgrading your license to a pro level or higher. So Tubebuddy is free for the basic features, but if you want a little bit more in-depth analytics and a little bit more help, you are gonna have to upgrade. So again, it's gonna give me different options for my video as far as tags go. And then right here, it tells you only 3 of 222 total tag terms are shown. So it's gonna give you various different options for tags, the best keywords for tags, relevance, keyword score, and search traffic. And you have to upgrade this if you wanna get a little bit more in depth. So if you wanna help support the channel, click the link in the description to check out Tubebuddy. So another thing that's cool with Tubebuddy is gonna be your SEO score. Now what the SEO score gives you is a little bit more insight to whether your video is gonna rank or not. So right here, it tells you high resolution thumbnail. Okay, if you got a high resolution thumbnail, your SEO score is gonna go up. If you added your info cards, if you added your in stream, captions added, liked on Facebook. So you see this SEO score is only 65. So you can hover over your SEO score and you can see why your SEO score is so low or high. So right here, tags and title and description, 10 of 20. Tags and title, 10 of 20. Tags and description, 5 of 20. Total tag characters, 20 of 20, so that's good. Title words and description, 20 of 20. So what does any of this mean? So the tags that I'm gonna use in this video, if I want a higher SEO score, I'm gonna have to put them in the title and also in the description, so that would raise my SEO score. And just doing that is gonna help me rank higher in search. So another feature Tubebuddy has is creating your own thumbnail right from YouTube Studio. So you can go with a still frame from your video, solid color, or you can throw in an existing image. Another exciting feature that Tubebuddy just implemented is a feature called Click Magnet. Now, Click Magnet is pretty new and you need to have a paid version to use it. But what it does, it shows you what type of content your viewers are watching. So let's say you're doing a vlog video of cars or something like that, right? Okay, a viewer comes on and watches your video. Now, Click Magnet takes that information of all these different viewers coming to your videos, and it's telling you what those viewers are also watching. If you're reviewing a Mustang, your viewer is also watching the new Ford Bronco. You might want to do a review on the new Ford Bronco or do a video on some part of the Ford Bronco, because now you know that your viewer is also interested in the Ford Bronco, or they might be interested in the F-150 or whatever it is. And this pertains to any type of content creator, right? Let's say you do a food video, somebody comes in, they watch your video, and you see that your viewers are also watching how to make vegan food, how to make keto food. Now you can start going in that direction and do more videos of what your viewers are going to want to watch. So now you're in that ecosystem to where you're not just making content out of thin air, just hoping something sticks. You know what your viewers are watching, and you can make videos that are going to cater to them. But again, that's a paid feature of Tubebuddy. So some of these features are going to be upgrade features, like the health report, channel valuation, retention analyzer. It's also going to give you an overview of who your competitors are and what they're doing. Another thing you can do is, if you're not sure about uploading a video, if you're not sure of making that content, you can go to the Keyword Explorer and see if people are searching that term. For example, if you put how to make a steak, there's a little bit of competition, but the keyword search is so often, it's worth targeting. Wow, look at that, very good. So I might just make a video on how to make a steak. I do have a cooking channel after all. So you want to make more money with YouTube? Check out my video, how to monetize every situation, right here in the cards. If it's not in the cards, I'll leave it in the link in the description. Another thing Tubebuddy shows you, which now YouTube Studio just caught up, is going to be the best time to publish your videos. So right here up top, this is the YouTube Studio, the new YouTube Studio, where it shows you when your viewers are on YouTube. So it shows you when they're least on YouTube and when they're most likely on YouTube. I have a video covering the new YouTube Studio features in depth. If you want to go ahead and check that out, might as well check out all the videos on my channel. So this is a Tubebuddy add-on here, and it's going to tell you when is the best time for you, for your content to be posting on YouTube. So weekly, it says Thursday at 12 p.m. If I'm posting daily, it tells me the time of day I should be posting my videos. Now, how does it calculate this? It looks at all your viewer habits and when they're online most, and it's going to give you an approximation of when you should be uploading your videos, which is definitely a really good thing to have, because if you're just posting at any time of the day when you finish your video, that's the wrong thing you want to do, because you definitely want to rank, and it's going to tell you right here when you should be posting when your viewers are online. So again, Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, Video Topic Planner, Tags List, the best time to publish, and Click Magnet, along with a lot of other things that I won't go into detail because they are paid features of Tubebuddy. So I hope this video helps you out, and if you want to help support this channel, click on the Tubebuddy link from my description. It's totally free for you to use. Thanks for watching. Check out all my other How to YouTube content, and check you on the next one.